am in another Google Docs assignment, and I have opened it in Google Classroom, and I've clicked View the Assignment. The first thing, it says creating and editing the text, center the title, bold the title, style the title. Go to the drop-down menu and that says normal text and change it to title. So it says center the text. I'm going to select or highlight it, and I'm going to center it. I can click here and do that, or I can go up to Format and go down to Align and Indent and find the center there. Then I can bold it, or I can hit Control B, and I'm going to come up to here where it says normal text, and I'm going to select title to style it. Now it says changing the font. Over here it says select the entire story, everything except the title. Okay, so I'm going to select it all. Change the font from Arial size 12, it's Arial size 12, to Georgia, and yours might be down here, Georgia size 14. There. Now, change the line spacing. It says select the entire story, which I already have, except the title. Go to the Format menu, change the line spacing from single to 1.5. Line spacing, I'm going to change it to 1.5. There. Now, use bold. Find the word egg and bold it every time you read it. So I'm going to hit Control F, and I'm going to put in the word egg, and I found all of them, and I'm going to click on them, double click, and bold, double click, and bold, double click, and bold, double click, bold. It doesn't matter if you get the S. Double click, bold, double click, bold. All right, I got them all. Now it says use highlight. Go to the menu bar and find the highlighter next to the A. So it's right up here. Here's the highlighter. Then it says highlight the word golden in yellow every time you read it. So I need to find the word golden. Okay, now I've got to highlight it every time I find it. So I'm going to double click, and find the highlight. So I found all the goldens, and now I'm going to go to use Italicize. Select the last line of the story. Use the shortcut Control I or the I on the menu bar to italicize the last sentence. It's the moral of the story. Now it says center the last line. Select the last line of the story. It's already selected. Use the Center Align button to center the last line. So you can go over here and find it, or you can go to the Format menu, go down to Align, Center Align. Now we're going to go to the next page. Draw a line under the title. We haven't done this before. So it says put your cursor below this, in the space below the title. So we're going to put our cursor, actually I'm going to have to put it there and hit enter. Then it says go to the insert menu and navigate down to drawing. Find the line tool next to the arrow. So there's the line. Draw a line. I can make it any color I want. And click Save and Close. Now, it jumped right there. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's fine. Then it says add an image. Put the cursor at the end of the story. So, and then I'm going to have you hit enter again. Go to the insert menu. Choose image, and then go to search the web. Find a goose and the golden egg image. You can use any of these if you'd like. It doesn't really matter. So I use this one. I clicked on it. It said to click on it. Click on the image. And now click the blue button that says insert. Okay, and it's great big, and it says shrink the image so it fits on one page. I'm going to click it. I'm going to shrink the image. I'm going to click on the edge and see if I take the diagonal edge. There. Very nice. Now it says change the margins. Go to the File menu, Go down to page setup and change them to 0.8. So we haven't done 0.8. So we're going to change them all to 0.8 and click OK. We don't have to change the orientation. And we are done. You can turn it in. Yours will say turn in. You can click turn in and you are finished.